So this next song is another one that's in Scots, so feel free to sing along. It's called Alison Cross. I know that my explanation about how witches weren't necessarily ugly and evil just happened, but this one's about an ugly, evil witch who bewitched a man. The idea behind this song is that she was... it's from the point of view of a man that this witch is trying to... essentially court or woo. She's in love with this man and is trying to give him every gift she can think of to get him to fall in love with her, and he's not having any of it. And so she turns him into, I'm going to go with a newt. It's never specified, so we're going to say that she turns him into a newt, and then the queen of the fairies comes and rescues him.
Did he get better?
Eventually, yes, when the queen of the fairies came and rescued him. I got better. Yes, thank you. I have lost control of the situation. It was going to happen eventually. Alison Cross lives in yon tower, the ugliest witch in the North Country. She's trysted me a day till her bower, and money's the prospect she made to me. She showed me a mantle, a red scarlet, well wrought with gold and fringes fine. She says, "Can you be my leman?" Said, "True, this goodly gift it shall be thine." Oh, wah, ye ugly witch, hold for a while, and let me be, afore I'll kiss your ugly moo. I'd rather toddle around a tree. She showed me a sark of the softest silk, well wrought with pearls upon the band. Says, "Can you be my leman?" Said, "Through this goodly gift at your command." Oh, wah, ye ugly witch, hold for a while, and let me be, afore I'll kiss your ugly moo. I'd rather toddle around the tree. She showed me a cup of the good reed gold, well wrought with jewels so fair and fine. Says, "Can you be my leman?" Said, "True, this goodly gift it shall be thine." Oh, wah, ye ugly witch, hold for a while, and let me be, afore I'll kiss your ugly moo. I'd rather toddle around the tree. And she's ta'en out her grass green horn, she blew it 3 times loud and shrill. She swore by the moon and the stars aboon, she'd gar me rue the day I ever was born. And she's ta'en out her silvery wand, she straked it 3 times over her knee. She's muttered sick words as my senses failed, I fell down senseless to the ground. Oh, wah, ye ugly witch, hold for a while, and let me be, afore I'll kiss your ugly moo. I'd rather toddle around the tree. It fell upon last Halloween, the Sealy court came riding by. The queens licked it down on the Gowanny bank, nae far fae the tree where I did lie. And she's ta'en out her silvery wand, she straked it 3 times over her knee. She's turned me back to my proper shape, nae mair to toddle around the tree. Oh, wah, ye ugly witch, hold for a while, and let me be, afore I'll kiss your ugly moo. I'd rather toddle around the tree. Oh, wah, ye ugly witch, hold for a while, and let me be, afore I'll kiss your Thank you.